Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to create group tables for your survey strings using Stringer Topo software. In this video, we'll walk you through a powerful feature that helps you present survey data in a clear, organized format, perfect for documentation, client reports, or internal review. We'll pick up where we left off in a previous video, where we created line strings and a surface. If you haven't seen it yet, you'll find the link in the I above. Let's continue from here and generate group tables. To get started, make sure you're in the Stringer Survey tab. Go to the Output section and click on the Point Group Table button. You can also access this from the Toolspace below. Just click on the Tables button. This opens the Table Manager window. Let's begin by clicking the Add Table button. A prompt will appear asking you to give your table a name. Once named, select where you want to place it on your drawing. Now, back in the Table Manager, we're ready to fine-tune our table. Start by choosing a point group. In this video, we'll go with Controllable, Civil 3D. You'll also see options for table style, code set, and code string. For now, we'll keep the style as default and stick with alpha for both code set and string. Now comes the important step, linking the code descriptions. Click the File button to browse and load your alpha codes file. This will populate your table with readable, meaningful descriptions. Once everything is set, click Create Update Table, and just like that, the table is placed in your drawing, complete with code, description, symbols, and lines. Need to make a change? Let's say you want to remove a code from the table. Simply go back to the Table Manager, uncheck the code, and hit Create Update Table again. Your table will be updated instantly. No need to redraw anything. Now let's explore different table styles. First up, the Point Report style. This one displays the average, minimum, and maximum elevation for each code, perfect for elevation analysis. Then we have Legend All Codes. Unlike the default style, this one includes all available codes, even if they're not present in the project. If no data exists for a code, the cells remain blank. Feeling creative? You can create your own table style from scratch. Click the Edit Style button to open the Table Style Editor. Start by naming your style. In the Details tab, you can define scale and symbol settings. In Columns, choose which data columns to include. Under Heading Style, customize text height, font, and layer. And in Column Style, adjust the cell formatting. Once done, click Save Table Styles, and your custom style is ready to use anytime. You can even add multiple tables across your project and update them all using the Create Update or Refresh button in the Toolspace. And there you have it, a simple, structured way to display your survey string data using group tables in Stringer Topo. Contact us at Present Trade to get your free trial of Stringer Topo and see how easy it is to streamline your survey workflows. Happy designing!